Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and I had an amazing mail day today because my brand new Venus 3 palette came in. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I am dying. As you guys know, the Venus palettes are my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and Lime Crime is my favorite makeup brand, and they came with a new one, and it's pink and purple and so pretty and aesthetic, and oh, it's everything I wanted it to be. It's just so beautiful, and I'm so excited to wear it because I just like, can we just like, let's go look at these colors. Like, oh my god, so pretty. I'm literally dying for these two. Like, I'm going to wear them on my lid every single day. Pink and purples are my favorite eyeshadows to wear. I literally just live in pink and purple eyeshadow. It's gonna be pinkle. That's gonna be the new combined for my eyeshadow looks. They're pinkle. But yo, pink and purple eye looks are my favorite to wear. I literally just live in pink eyeshadow. It is my go-to, and this is just so cute because, as I said before, pinks are my neutrals. So it is a pinky neutral palette, and I am so living for it. Oh my god, it's so freaking beautiful. And so I thought today I would do some swatches and maybe a little eye look for you guys because I just want to put it on my face now. Oh. So let's get to swatching. I just love them. It's so freaking pretty. So the first row has these more pinker, lighter shades, and we have the shade Dreamy and Beam, Heavenly, and Rapture. Oh, beautiful. And the bottom row are more darker tone shades, a little bit more crease colors, more buildable looks. So we have Ecstasy, Paradise, Bliss, and Beloved. So let's swatch the top row real quick. This is Dreamy. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. That is a pretty pink. That's just one swipe. I'm gonna do another layer real quick though so we can really get that color. Oh, I'm about that. That would be even pretty as blush. Ooh, you know I'm a blush queen. Now we're going into this next pinky shimmery shade called Beam, which is the one I am most excited about because I love pink, I love shimmer, I love purple, I love it all. So we're just gonna go here. Ooh, that's pretty. It's light, so that's kind of like a topper shade, I would say. It's very glittery. It would probably look really good like wetted. I really like that though. That's super pretty if you can see that. Now we're going to go in with the third shade, which is Heavenly, and it's like a super sparkly like rose goldy shade, which I am about. I just got the rose gold mini ears, and those are going to be really pretty. So that's this shade. Let's see. Again, I think that's another one that really would need like to be wet to really look stunning, but it's really pretty. And then the last shade of the row is Rapture. So we're gonna throw that on real quick. Running out. I'm sorry, I am the worst at swatching. I'm getting used to it though. That's nice. That's a nice shimmery shade, very satin finish. I like that. It's like a salmony pink. Let's try swatching on my hand. Maybe that will work better. So we're going to go in with the next row, and the first shade we're going to do is Ecstasy, which is like a dark purpley like cool tone shade, which I'm really about. So, well, that's better. That's easier. So that's Ecstasy. I really like that. Now we're going to go in with this lighter purple shade called Paradise, which is actually another one I'm super excited about. I think I might live in the shadow if it's really nice. So here we go, we're gonna put that here. Oh, okay. You came to play. I know it's going all over my lid. Oh, yes. Oh, can you marry an eyeshadow? Now, the next shade we're going to do is called Bliss, and it's like kind of a light pinky terracotta. And I'll do it on this hand because I accidentally swatched it on the wrong side, but here we go. Oh, I like that. It's like a very terracotta nude, like a pinky terracotta, if that can happen. And then the final shade is Beloved, which kind of looks like a shimmery purpley taupe shade. So, and that's actually reminds me a lot of what Lily Collins had on her lid at the Met Gala, which kind of want to recreate that makeup look. But yeah, so those are the swatches of the bottom row. I am a fan. They are super pretty. I am so far obsessed with this palette. Yes! Oh my god. And then like, let's just go on and create an eyeshadow look because I am so ready for it. And I'm very fortunate today I went with like a very minimal eye look and kind of focused on the blush and cheeks because I was living for Emilia Clarke's makeup at the Met Gala. Oh my god. Just that blush moment was just amazing. It was so freaking pretty. And now I'm just like, man, I just want to wear a dark lip and a lot of blush and no eyes. That's my look right now. I am obsessed. Like, oh, last night's Met Gala theme was freaking everything. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Just obsessed. I have so many makeup looks I want to do from it. But let's go back to what we're here for. The Lime Crime palette, the Venus 3. Oh my god, just look at this packaging one more time. It is so pretty and purpley and pink. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, let's go for our eye look. So I think I'm going to start out and I'm going to take the shade Dreamy and I'm going to start running that all throughout my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this denser packing brush and I'm going to take the shade Paradise, this beautiful purpley pink shade, and I'm going to put it on the inner and outer corner of my eye. I will say be careful, there's a little bit of fallout in this shadow, but it's nothing that you can't work with. And I'm just going to blend that out and together. And I'm going in with a cleaner brush. I'm just going to blend the outer edges a little bit more. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Ecstasy and I'm just going to put that in the inner and outer corner. And that just added a little extra dimension to it all. Now we're going to take the shade Beam, the bright purpley pink shade, and I'm going to take that on a flat brush. I'm going to really load up the product on that one. And then I'm going to take a setting spray and I'm just going to get it wet. I'm going to apply that to the center of the lid. Oh yeah. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to take the purpley shade Paradise and I'm going to smoke that on my lower line. And I'm just going to blend with a clean brush around where we're doing. And then I'm going to take the shade Heavenly and apply that in my inner corner and my brow bone. And I'm actually going to go again and use that same shade and spray it with the setting spray because I really want my inner corners to pop. I'm just going to use a pink eyeliner so I can meld my lower lash line in with the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. So the eye look is done, and I am obsessed with this color, and I am already wearing a Lime Crime lippy. I am wearing their Velveteen Scandal, which is like a beautiful dark purple color, but I feel like this look just needs a little bit extra, so I'm going to take their Diamond Crush and Unicorn Queen and put it on top of my lipstick, 'cause I think it just looks super cute in the center. And this is the complete final look. I am so obsessed with how this came out. I am obsessed with this palette now. I'm probably going to be the only wearing this on my face for the rest of the month because pinks and purples. And the packaging is just so beautiful. If you are just like a makeup collector, it would look perfect on your vanity. It's just so pretty and pink, and I love it. It's going to look so good on all my other Venus palettes on my vanity. I am so excited. And I just really love the pigmentation of this. I will say you should be careful though with the shade Beam and Heavenly. They are a little bit like on the lighter side of pigmentation because they are glitter shades, so I would suggest just wetting those because when they're wet they look beautiful. I love it. It's what's on my eye in the center and in the corner. So freaking pretty. I am so impressed with this palette. I just can't wait to keep wearing it and playing with it more. I know I'm going to live in the Shadow Paradise. That is my kind of color, a just bright dark purple. It's just pretty. It's so pretty. I am just really happy with how this look came out. This is going to definitely be my new everyday look. Like, I love it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because that would just be so rad of you guys. I hope you guys stay lovely. Bye!